Hello Primary 5. Today we'll take the next lesson for Unit 1, some subset of natural numbers. Some subset of natural numbers. Last lesson we studied the some set of natural number, even number, and the odd number, and prime number. Some subset of natural number we studied in the last lesson, the set of even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. All this set are infinite set. The opposite Venn diagram represent the natural number, even numbers, and odd numbers. Natural number هي union between even number and odd numbers. This is a natural numbers. Then natural number equal even number union odd numbers. And even number subset from natural number and odd number subset from natural number. Okay? From the previous Venn diagram, we can notice that this is very important notes. An even number intersect an odd number. We studied before. What is the meaning of the last term? For intersections, a common element between even and odd. We have elements, our common element between an even number and odd number. Let's go to look at the even number. في هنا common number between the even number and odd number? No. Then answer is 5. طب even number and union al odd number. If we write even number plus our union al odd number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then is what? يبقى even number union ال odd number equal natural number. طيب even number intersection odd number is 5. We don't have a common element. طيب natural number intersection even number is what? Which common element between natural number and even number? هي ال even number. Which common element between even number and natural number is even number. Natural number intersect odd number equal odd number. Which common element between natural number and odd number is odd number. Okay, now let's go to last papers or last slide. Which common element between the even number and the natural number? هو ال even number. Common element between the odd number and the natural number is odd number. Okay? Natural number union ال even number equal natural number. Natural number union ال odd number is natural number. طيب natural number difference الodd لو عملنا remove للodd number from a natural number يبقى remainder set equal even number. Okay, natural number difference if we remove the even number from natural number is odd number. طيب natural number difference لو remove the counting number from natural number equal 0. Natural number difference لو remove 0 from a natural number equal counting number. Even number difference odd number equal even number. Odd number difference even number equal odd number. Okay, this is very important notes. Should be remember every time this notes. Okay. Now the first question complete by using belong, doesn't belong, subset and not subset. Should be remember which sign we use between element and set or between set and set. Then we used two signs or both signs belong and doesn't belong between element and set. And we use subset or not subset between set and set. A 0 and 2 ونatural number. طيب, the first question, ask yourself, this is set or element? This is set, يبقى set and set. Then we choose subset or not subset. Set and set. Then we are choose subset or not subset. يبقى 0 and 2 subset or not subset from A? From natural. 0 and 2 all whole number, okay, subset from natural number. Then 0 and 2 is subset from natural number. Fine. Another question, 1000 and natural number. Ask yourself, 1000 and natural number, 1000 element or set? Element, element and set, then belong or doesn't belong? 1000 belong or doesn't belong to natural number? I'll give you just 30 seconds. Think about these questions and try and check your answer with me. Fine. Then belong. Okay. Number C, 10.1 and natural number. Ask yourself, this is element and set or set and set? Element and set. طيب, 10.1 and natural number belong or doesn't belong to natural number? We will answer after 30 seconds. Write in your notes about point C or question C. Which sign? Of course, doesn't belong. Why? This is whole number or decimal number. This is a decimal number. Then doesn't belong from natural number. Fine. Phi and natural number. We studied in the last term. Phi dotted from any set. Phi dotted from any set. Type. Ask yourself, phi number or set? يعني set or element? Phi set or element? طيب, we can write phi null set. We say phi null set. Okay, then set and set. We choose subset or not subset, or belong or doesn't belong. After 30 seconds. Fine. Subset. Then phi subset from any set. Everyone should be know phi subset from any set. Two, 3, 5, 7, 97. From natural number. We ask yourself before start answer. Subset, not subset, belong, doesn't belong. This numbers set or element? Set. Then we are choose subset or not subset. Answer is a subset. Fine. 15/5 and natural number. طيب, before start answer should be look at this fraction. This fraction can be simplified into whole number? Of course, yes. Why? 15/5 equals 3. Then we choose belong, doesn't belong, or subset and not subset. After 30 seconds. 15/5 equals 3. 3 set or element? Element. Then we choose belong. Fine. G, 3, 4, 5, and 30. Ask yourself, this is set or element? Set of number. Then we choose subset or not subset, belong or doesn't belong. Fine. Subset. The number of people in the world dotted in N. The number of people. Any number بقى. يعني any number. Imagine any numbers of people in the world. Any number, set or element? Element or set? Element. And N. Between the and and belong. Fine. Complete. Another question. 0 intersect even number. Which common element between 0 and even number? Which common element between 0 and even number is a 0. Fine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersect the odd number. Which common element between the set and odd number? فين الodd number هنا؟ 3 and 5. Fine. Then the common element between them are 3 and 5. Fine. C. Natural number difference odd number. If we remove an odd number from natural number, then the set equal what? Natural number difference odd number. After 30 seconds. Natural number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus the odd number 3, 5, 7, 9 equal even number. Okay, remember this note is very important. Even number intersect the odd number. Which common element between odd number and even number? Which common element between even number and odd number? Remember, even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Which common element between them? Fine. Excellent. Fine. Drill. I'll give you enough time to think this drill. Question 1. Complete by using belong, doesn't belong, subset, not subset. The first question, 1.5 to n. Ask yourself before start answer. The set and set or element and element. After 30 seconds, we will look at your answer. Fine. Before start answer, this set and set, okay? طيب, this is fraction. Can be simplified? Of course, no. Then, answer, not subset. ليه not subset? Set و set يبقى subset or not subset. Any fraction doesn't belong or not subset from natural number. Fine. Another question, 10 and natural number. After 30 seconds, ask yourself, element and set, ولا set and set, or number or decimal, or fraction. Fine. Belong. Why we say belong? Due to element and set. Element and set, then we choose belong or doesn't belong. We choose belong or doesn't belong due to element and set. If we have a set and set, we choose subset or not subset. Okay, and 10 whole number belong للnatural number. C, 23.4 to natural number. Ask yourself, this is element and set or set and set? After 30 seconds. Fine. Doesn't belong. Why doesn't belong? This is element and set. Then we choose belong or doesn't belong. And this is whole number or decimal number? Decimal number doesn't belong to natural number. D, even number and natural number. Ask yourself, even number, set or element? Fine. Even number, set. Set and set, then we choose subset or not subset. Okay? Then even number subset from natural number. طيب الايفن number والاود number والprime number subset from والcounting number subset from natural number. Let's go to review about this lesson. We take the subset of natural number, even number 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Natural number هي union even number and odd numbers. Even number subset from natural number, odd number subset from natural number. And we have a previous Venn diagram. We can note that this important notes complete by using belong and doesn't belong, subset and not subset. Please remember, we use belong and doesn't belong if we have element and set. We use the subset and not subset if we have set and set. Okay, then this is set and set. We are use subset. Element and set. يبقى we choose belong. This is element. Element and set we choose not belong or doesn't belong. ليه؟ لأن هي this number is a decimal number. phi and set يبقى phi أصلا set يبقى phi subset from any set. Okay. Next question. The set and set we choose subset. Fraction can be simplified. 15 over 5 equals 3 belong to natural number. 3, 4, 5, 30 set and set we choose subset from natural number. The number of people in world, for example million, 2 million, 100 million, any number element belong to natural number. And complete 0 intersect even number equals 0. 2, 3, 5, 6 intersect odd number. هي ايه odd numbers 3 and 5. Natural number difference odd number equal even number. Even number intersect odd number equal 5. We don't have a common element between them. In our drill, complete by using belong and doesn't belong, subset or not subset. 1/2 not subset from natural number. 10 element and set belong to natural number. 23.4 element and set doesn't belong. This is a decimal number. Even number and natural number, even number, odd number, prime number, and counting number, all this set subset from natural number. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you for good listening. I hope everyone can understand this lesson.